Hey, all Brad here. I've got another board wrapped up on the bench. This one's for Edward. It's a Moon Patrol IRIM M52 hardware, licensed by Williams. This is an original real board. There's a lot of bootlegs out there, but this one is legit. This board is non-working when it arrived. Black screen, no audio. Tore it down, went through the different board stacks here. You have a scrolling video, character board, and you've got the MPU board, and this top board is the soundboard, audio board, and this again is it's got its own CPU. It's like a standalone computer, kind of like the how all the Williams games do it. What I found initially, one of the character ROMs, the legs were kind of corroded off on one of them here. One of the pins, 2732 4K EEPROM, replaced that. Going through it and checking some of the other ones, some of the bipolars for the colors, the color proms, the legs were just totally rotted out on them. You can see they're bad shape, 3 of them. So I do stock these bipolars. I have a Data IO 29B, so I programmed up some new ones there. There was still one that was fine. One of them, the socket, the leg got stuck in so bad I couldn't get it out, so I just replaced the socket. I also go through and change all the electrolytics on the board. You got 3 on the MPU in the front, 2 more in the back, and then the audio board is just loaded. There's a couple here, there's 100 microfarad here, a couple big thousands here for the filtering for the amp, a few more on this side, one under the heat sink. I do remove the heat sink to change that cap, but then I put new heat sink compound on. I pull all the socketed chips and clean the legs and then polish it up. So got it sorted out, and I'll boot it up here and we'll go through a little gameplay and show everything working. Again, I do have a remote on the bench here. You can see it boots right into game. My PlayStation controller configured for Moon Patrol. Coin it up here. A little jump, a little fire. I'll fall in. You see the explosion works. So gameplay looks really good. I'm going to let it run overnight just to be sure everything's solid, but so far she seems good. And tomorrow, if she's solid still, I'll box it up and get it coming back to you. Thanks for watching, everyone.